Oh yeah, you can see all the debris. You see that? That is just a quick use, and you can see the dust on here. All the dust. This thing worked. This is it even got a fly, guys. Even got a fly and a hair. Wow. And this is only less than 5 minutes of use. 5 minutes of use. This thing really works. The emptying bin is awesome. We even got a fly and a hair and a dusting. This thing is value and is amazing. Vacuum works well, and the self-emptying bin works awesome. Hey guys, I just want to go over a few reasons why I think this Shark Matrix is one of the best value. First of all, this is great for carpet and even hardwood floors. And if you got pet, it's going to be great for that also. It's perfect for cleaning up dirt, pet hairs. I like that it comes with the emptying bin. Now this has a capacity to clean up to 45 days and you don't need any bags or anything like that. Just empty it out. This has a 360-degree sensor. It's going to get more effective every time you use it. Within the app, you can choose where it to clean, and it can choose and clean certain rooms more and make it more effective. Just check out the sensor on this thing as it goes under my couch and how it gets out on this tight spot. Under the rug, honey. Under the sofa. Look at the maneuver in a tight sofa spot. Is it gonna get out? This is under the couch here. It's a very tight spot, and it's rotating and still able to get out of a tight spot, which is really cool. It's really tight down there, but it's able to rotate and sense and then get out.
The house is so dusty.
Is it? It's really cool. Is you don't have to worry about mopping and vacuuming under the couch. In tight areas, it's still able to go around and vacuum. You see who's gonna get out at the end? Dock, one push button, home. Shark is really cool. One push button docking, and it's gonna go back to its dock automatically, which is really cool. Nice. It came back. It's resting. Overall, I think this Shark Matrix is a great value. If you're looking for something that has a strong vacuum power on the carpet or hardwood floors, I definitely recommend this robot vacuum. I want to do that quick review. Hopefully that helps you, and enjoy your Shark Matrix.